Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to configure Airport Express. First, connect your Airport Express to a power outlet and then to your internet modem using an Ethernet cable. Wait for the status light on the device to turn solid green, indicating it is ready for setup. Next, download the Airport Utility application onto your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer. Finally, ensure your device is connected to the temporary Wi-Fi network broadcast by the Airport Express. Once the Airport Utility app is open, select your Airport Express from the list of available devices. You will then be prompted to either create a brand new wireless network or extend an existing one. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Be sure to enter a unique network name and a strong, memorable password for security. Confirm your selections, and the device will restart to apply the new settings. For more control, delve into the advanced settings within the Airport Utility. Here, you can configure options like DHCP and NAT, which are crucial for network management. You can also set up port forwarding to direct specific internet traffic to particular devices on your network. Additionally, consider creating a separate guest network, providing internet access to visitors without compromising your main network's security. Adjust wireless security protocols for optimal performance. If you encounter issues, a soft reset can often resolve them. Simply hold the reset button for about 1 second. For more persistent problems, you can restore the device to its factory settings by holding the reset button for approximately 5 seconds. Remember to regularly check for and install firmware updates to ensure your Airport Express has the latest features and security enhancements. Finally, ensure the device has proper ventilation to prevent overheating and maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.